When you apply bullet formatting to paragraphs, Word allows you to choose from a variety of different bullets. If you want, you can switch between those different bullet types, or you can define your own bullets. Word allows you to easily create bulleted lists in your documents, just like you see on the screen here. As a default, Word uses a small dot as the bullet. You can change the bullet to any character that you desire. All you need to do is make sure that the Home tab of the ribbon is displayed, and then select the paragraphs that are within your bulleted list. Right up here under the Bullets tool, you're going to click the down arrow at the right side of the tool. Notice that the bullet library shows different bullets that you can use within your bulleted list. In fact, as I hover over these, it is shown, or the effect is shown, within the document itself. And if I want one of these, then all I have to do is click on it, and that's what ends up in my bulleted list. It may be, however, that you don't like any of the bullets that are shown within the bullet library. Well, in order to define your own bullet, all you have to do is go right down here where it says Define New Bullet. And then we're going to click on the Symbol button right here, which displays the symbol dialog box. This allows you to access any of the characters that are available within this particular font within Microsoft Word. All you have to do then is look through any of these, and you can figure out what you want to use for your bullet. So for instance, let's say that we wanted to do something, something a little bit strange down here, and we're going to put the infinity symbol as our bullet. Well, then all I have to do is click on it, and I click on OK, and then I click on OK again, and that becomes my bullet. Plus, you'll also notice that if you use the drop-down list, you can see that the infinity symbol has now been added to the bullet library, which means that you can select it again very easily elsewhere within the document. Well, I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might want to consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.